single day I'm gonna make something great. That's my way. Every single day I'm gonna make.
So hello, today is a great day. GoPro sent me the Hero9 Black. Here you have it. It's the newest GoPro with frontal screen, so you can see yourself now. It's made for vlogging also. It's a new kind of package, not what we have seen before from GoPro, less plastic. And you open it underneath here by pulling this lip, so then you can open the package. So this is the first GoPro unpackage I do. It's not a travel vlog because GoPro sent it to me this, and I just wanted to to give some credit for it. So what we have here inside is some leaflets and everything like that. Then we have cable, USB-C cable. We have a battery. The battery is actually different from the other GoPros. It's bigger, it has more capacity, so yeah, it's a new battery. So if you have old GoPros, you cannot use the battery, so you have to buy new ones. Is it a problem? Some people maybe, for other people not, but the batteries are not that expensive. So we have the battery. Then we have mounting shoe. So that's the receiver. It's bended for dashboard. The flat ones, you don't get the flat ones anymore, I don't know why. Then we have underneath the mount, we have the screw, and then the clip, and of course the GoPro itself. Well, it's a little heavier. It's also bigger than the old GoPro, a little thicker and a little bigger, but it's not that much, because check, I have my old GoPro in a case, because the 8 you can't remove the lens screen. With the 9 you can do that again. There's also an extra lens screen available within some weeks, that you can widen your screen, so to get a very wide angle to film. So that's fine, but you can see the differences. You have a big screen on the front now, where you can see yourself if you're filming, and yeah, this one is in its case, so you cannot see the big difference. But if you look like that with the case, it's even less or the same as big as the other. So that's the only difference. It's a little bit bigger, but I guess it's worth it if there are extra features in there. So let's remove the plastics from it. These plastics covers from the screens. Okay. It's easier to get rid of the plastic because of these lips before you have to peel it off, but this is way easier. And the front screen. So this is the new GoPro 9 Hero. It's this is where you let the water out of your microphone, so you can open that and drain it. You have the same mounting shoes as the 8 inside, and built inside the GoPro itself. The slot to open for the battery is just the same system. There's also a slot for a memory card, so let's put a memory card in there. I always have enough memory cards, because when you go away for a long time with your camper, you need a lot of memory cards to film. I'm not always editing on the road, so I can keep my footage with me for a long time. So the battery goes in this way. Okay, so there's a memory card in there, there's a battery in there. So I guess now it should be ready to go. Well, if the battery has some power in it, but we will see. I think I have to connect it to my app on the cell phone because of the update. There's an update already. So let's see. Okay, there we go. So what does it do, film? Like the other GoPros. There's a lot of new features. So you have the 20 megapixels pictures you can make with it. There's a 5K 30 frames you can shoot with it. Of course 4K 60 frames, and then you have 10 meters usage underwater. There's a voice control in there. You can go to 8 times slow-mo. You can also do data overlays. There's a new time warp 3.0. Then you have the 1080p live streaming you can do with it. You have the super photo and HDR mode. You can make raw footage. You can use it as a webcam, wireless webcam. And you have a touchscreen like before you can use. And of course, what I'm most excited about is the Hypersmooth 3.0. I guess it's, well, the 2.0 Hypersmooth was already good, but this will be even better. So gimbals and everything like that won't be necessary anymore. So let's see if we can start it up. English. Wait, I'm gonna agree. Okay. GPS on. See, you have to install the GoPro app and leave your camera on, follow the app instructions. So I will do that later. No, I have to do the setup. Okay, so I'll be back with you when I have set this up. Yeah, so we are back again, connected it to the outlet because I don't want to update with only 9% of battery. Could suffer damage to the update, so if it disconnects. And this is something you don't want with a new device. You accept the terms, low battery. Okay. It's good to know. It's a safety. If the battery is too low, even it's connected, you can't yeah, do the update. So you have to wait a few minutes. I'm not sure how long it takes for loading up a battery. So yeah, okay, let's wait, see when this is going to happen. So there's another item we have with the GoPro, and let's unbox that also. That's the battery charger. Okay, you have new batteries, so you need also a new battery charger. So this is a package where you have a battery in it, an extra battery. There you go. That's nice. And you have a loading station, docking station to load your battery in. So you do it like that. And then you connect it with USB-C to the outlet again. So let's charge this battery also, so that it's ready to go. And there we go. So that will go into the outlet and can start to charge. I'll be back with you guys when the battery is full enough to do the update. So what do we have now is the update is done, and if you look, you can see me here. There's a front screen. It's actually nice. There's information on it. You can change it also, just the information and no picture or anything like that. Maybe to save your battery. And then at the back you have the normal GoPro settings, everything like that. The only new settings are hyper smooth. There's also some new icons you can use to change your own settings. I have made the travel setting here, so that's easy to do. And yeah, that's the new GoPro 9. I will be making some footage of it, so you will see it in my vlogs, what it is. I will show it on the screen so you can see the difference with other devices. And that's it for today. It was a special video, not about traveling, but I had to show this. So I have received this from GoPro today, so I have to show this to you guys. It's yeah, ready to order now. You can get it at the site of GoPro, and within 2 or 3 days they deliver. So this is it for today, and I want to wish you also a very nice day, and upcoming videos are travel videos again. So see you later. Bye bye.
Every single day